my beautiful people, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have an exciting AliExpress haul. I was actually on AliExpress looking up some dies and I came across some Carnival dies and I was so excited I had to have it. I didn't get a chance to cut everything, but I will show you some examples of the ones that I did cut. But yeah, let me show you these dies, and OMG, love these dies. I'll have the links below so that you can go ahead and get yours. There are videos out there on the dies and I do recommend that you get it because they are awesome. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you the one. Let me just show you. They are amazing. So let me show you the first one. The first one here is the clown. Okay, this one here is the clown face. So you do get the outer piece, the layering piece. You do have the hat, the face, and everything on there. I didn't get a chance to go ahead and cut it, but I will put a photo in the video so you can see how it does look like. But yeah, this is, when I saw this die set collection, I had to have it. It's amazing. So I thought that was really awesome. The next one here is you do get some animals. Look at this one. Okay, now this one comes with an elephant and it does come with a giraffe. You do get the ball and the little base, if I remember right, and you do have the elephant, and then you do have the layer piece and the ears for it. Look at that. That is so awesome. So yeah, and then you do have the giraffe here. And you do have, it does come with the extra pole. It does got a bow, so you got extras here. So you got the back piece and then you do got the top piece. Look at that. Awesome. This is, yeah. Whoever, when they thought about this one, amazing. I got that one that comes in the kit. Okay, now this one here is another one. Now here, this one comes with the numbers. Let me put this way, my way, this way. Okay, this one comes with your circus numbers, and it does come from 0 to 9. So you get your little numbers there. And it also comes with your alphabets. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. So you can even make stuff with that. So they got you covered. So yeah, you got your alphabet there, your numbers there. How awesome is that? Awesomeness. Now wait till you see this one. They also came up with the Ferris Wheel. Look at this. Now this you could actually make into a mini album, a box, a card, anything. But yeah. So you have your layering piece here. You got, well, the back piece, layering piece. You do got the circle for the Ferris wheel. It does have the base for that, which will go in the back part. It does come with your little seats, and then it does have the little layer. Yeah, comes with the little layering piece for your little, I guess your little riding seats for that. How awesome is that? So you could even make this move also. Cute, cute, cute. Love. There's not one thing I don't like about this set. Okay, and then here, look at this, is your popcorn box. How amazing is this? Well, yeah, you can make it into a box. But look at that. Amazing. You do have your popcorn. You can make this into a box, a card. You don't have to make it into a box. You can make it into a flat. But yeah, it even has your popcorn. It even has the outer piece so you could decorate it. It even comes with some your sentiments on there. This is the back piece, and that's your layering piece for that. Awesomeness. Awesomeness. That's that one. The popcorn box. Here. Now usually what usually gets me excited dies like this is usually Halloween and Valentine dies and cuteness, but this whole set really got me. Now the next ones I will show you the stuff that I did cut. Now this one here is ticket booth. So I made a simple sample for you so you can see. But this does come with I need to get some more magnetic sheets for my dies. Okay, so here goes your ticket booth. So here's your back piece here for the back piece. Here goes the back piece to the top. Here goes the little liner, well, your little line, which is a pink lining out top. There goes the line around your ticket booth thingy. Now here goes the tickets. Now the letters do come out separate, so you gotta put it on it. So you gotta put it on there. I was rushing, so it's not that straight. And then these here is so you can put your little shingles on your little ticket booth. You don't have to use it, but if you want to. That's that one. Okay, with the words, you do get the layering piece. If I don't have to cut it out, break them out, I don't. So I just leave it one piece. So I don't lose it. And then you do get your words here, which is fair. And here goes the first one. Is fair. And the next one is Carnival. Here's Carnival. And this one is Cotton Candy. Which when you cut it, it does come out as two pieces. So you just gotta put it on there together. And the next one it cuts is tickets. And that's how that looks. And that one's carousel. And that one. And then this one is circus. The last one. Which is how that looks. So I love this die set. So that's all the words there. I have fun with this set right here. Now these are just samples. I plan to do way different stuff with this one. Now this one here, which made the bigger tent, it has a lot of little pieces. If you do get the big tent there, and this is what I made. How cute is that? Adorable. Look at that. So it comes with everything that you have on here. Like I said, you can mix match all the stuff on there, but that's for that one. Okay. Now also come with some bows. So you have that one here, and this one makes this one here. How cute is that? And makes that one. And then this one here, which I think this one here is my favorite. And that makes that one here. And then the next one is this one here, which makes this one here. How cute is that? Love it. Love it. And there's another one of me. So yeah, so that makes that. This kit also has little tents. Now the little tents doesn't have as much as a big one, so it's more of a basic stuff. But what this one has is basically those two pieces, and it does have, actually let me show you, those two pieces, and it does have the little ruffle, and does have the little curtain on top, and then the little, I guess the top part here to put something there, and for the flag. And look at how it came out. So I have these three, and it does come in 3 different sizes. It does have the bigger, small, and medium. How cute are those? This is a real nice kit. I mean, you could do a whole lot of stuff with this kit. So that's that one. And then the last thing I want to show you from the kit are these the words. I think this is I saw this and this is what made me buy it. When I first saw it on AliExpress. Now, since this part here, I didn't have to cut it, separate it. I just left it with one piece. So that's the outer piece. And then here goes your words. So you do have fun. You do get candy. You do get food. You get booth. You do get rides. And you get games. Okay, so that's that one. And let me show you how those look like. Now what I saved my little negatives in there, which are the letters that come out from the center. Because what you could do, you could cut this a lot of different colors, and you could piece back the little letters back inside. You could cut them out of foam, you could cut out of another cardstock, glitter foam, anything. So I always tend to keep my stuff in there. I usually put it in another bag and keep it. Well, let me show you these here. You got candy. After that, and then you could even put stuff on the little dots here. And if you really want to go out, you could even put like every other one, even kind of like fairy lights from the back. You got that one, you got the candy, you have rides, you have booth, you have fun, you have games, and you have food. So yeah, I love this kit. This kit was amazing. So yeah, I really enjoyed this kit. And this, like I said, this was just little samples that I made. Um, just a quick thing so you could kind of see a little bit of what it looks like, just to kind of get a sense of what, you know, what you can make with that. But I'm really going to get into and make something with this set. So yeah, leave a comment below and let me know if you bought this set before. Have you already bought this set already? Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And like I said, I will put the link below of this dies here, so that if you're interested, you can go ahead and get it. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.